Sonoma signing in YouTube. Hi guys, do you miss me? Again, if you don't miss me, then I don't miss you too. And you know I'm only joking. So the title of my tutorial is this, okay? Unuma tutorial, Socks Yahoo y Republican Style. Part 2. A socks tutorial, okay? So first, I'm already in socks. In a sock site, which is socks 24. All you have to do is copy it. See? Scroll it downwards. Okay. Okay. Just scroll it downwards. Okay. Just like that. Then copy and paste it in a notepad. Just like that. Then save the changes. Put there the title. Example, title socks. That's all. And save. Click save. That's all. It's in there. In my documents, I put it in there. So if you do have a socks grabber like I do, you can do that without going to any site. Okay, just like that. Okay, socks grabber, right? Example, I will get socks 5. Click it, and there you go. I do have socks 5. See, all you have to do is, example, save it and put the title in there. Example there, the title of my socks is that. Okay, save it, then it's there. I do have one also. Okay, it's another one. Okay, another one. See, okay, this is the other socks 5 server that I have. Okay, this is okay, socks 5 grabber. Just click in socks 5 and you do have start grab, and you do have socks 5 or socks 4. Put it in the notepad, paste it, save it. Okay, how to use it? For example, I'm using PC Charger. Okay, load socks. Okay, example, I will load VIP1. Okay, then load boats. This is a BC charger, must BC. Okay, see, then load boats in my documents. Example, I will use call boats. See, then there it goes. Just click in login, and of course it will log in. Okay, that's how easy it is. Okay, so you see, login, log 4, 5, counting. Okay, so this is Sonomas. This is another tutorial about socks, how to use it, how to get it, how to save it. So bye guys, I love you YouTube. Just want to show you that. Bye.